How to fix laptop lagging problem after we unplug the charger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if you're having an issue with your laptop where it lags after you unplug the charger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, navigate to the search icon and in the search bar, search for control panel and then open it up. After that, head towards this view by section, click on this drop down and select large icons. Once you have these icons displayed here, head towards this option that says power options and then click on it. Once you land on this interface, click on change plan settings. Again, from this interface, head towards the change advanced power settings and then click on it. Now you will see these power options pop up in your interface. From these options here, you have to expand processor power management and then click on it. After you expand it up, navigate to minimum processor state, and here on the minimum processor state, there you will see an option as system cooling policy. So if you could find system cooling policy, under that again there will be this option as on battery. In my case it is set to 5%, but there if you can change it into active from passive, then you can simply change the on battery mode from passive to active. So once you change your on battery to active, click on apply and then click on OK. After you save these settings, this will help you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.